Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how to edit your comment on Instagram. So first, what I am going to do is simply launch the Instagram app on my device. So if you're using another device, don't you worry because the process is still the same. So I am going to post or going to go to the post that I have a comment on, and if I want to edit that comment, I'll just simply click on the comment that I have on that post, and then just swipe right, or you'll just need to long press the comment if you're using an Android, and then I will completely delete the comment that I have because Instagram actually does not allow to edit a comment that you have already posted. However, you can delete the Instagram comment and post a new one instead. So you can delete completely the post and just repost a comment on on Instagram. So I am just going to delete the comment, and if you want to post another comment, you can do so. And so that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.